Welcome to the Windows Club. If the Chrome Top Toolbar is missing on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Appearance tab on the list on the left hand side. Turn the switch on for Show Home button. Turn the switch on for Show Bookmarks bar and you can see that the top tab has appeared. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.